In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages to your card website. Whether you want to create a multi-section site, add new content areas, or simply enhance user navigation, this walkthrough will guide you step by step through the process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your browser and head over to the card website by going to card.co. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is typically displayed right in the middle of the page. Click on it and sign in with your account details. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you'll see a list of your existing card websites. Choose the website you'd like to edit by clicking on it. With your website open in the editor, it's time to add structure for your new pages. Start by locating the option to add an element. On the left side menu, you should see a plus icon or an add button. Click on it. From the list of available elements, look for the control element and select it. The control element is crucial for breaking up your site into different sections, which act like pages in card. Arrange the control line exactly where you want your page to break or divide within your site. This is important because sections created with controls become the areas you'll jump to when users click navigation buttons. Once placed, rename your section so you can easily distinguish it from others. This could be something like page 1 or any name you'll remember. When that's done, click on Done to save. Now, let's make it possible for visitors to navigate to these different pages. Click on Add once again, then choose Buttons from the element list. Buttons are what people will click to move between pages or sections. Click Button, then type in the name of your page. For example, Page 1 or About. In the URL field for that button, enter a hashtag followed by your section name, such as #page 1. This links the button directly to the new page section you created. Click Done to save. To help users get back to your original homepage, repeat the steps. Add another button, name it appropriately, for instance, Home, and set the URL to your website's root address. When you're happy with your navigation setup, click Done again. The next steps are to push your changes live. Click the Publish button, then confirm the updates by clicking Publish Changes. After publishing, use the View Site button to preview your changes. Try out the new navigation by clicking on your page buttons, like Page 02 and Page 01, to ensure everything works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully added pages to your card website, giving your visitors a smoother experience. Be sure to test each link and feel free to customize your sections and buttons to fit your style and content. Thanks for watching and happy building.